This is call number 2012-40622 in the interest of Giovanni Armendariz. Please raise your right hand to be sworn, sir. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
All right, sir, please state your name and your relationship to the child.
My name is Steve Allen Armendariz, and Giovanni Allen Armendariz is my son.
All right, and representing the father?
MacArthur Piolu.
Yes, sir.
All right, and representing the state of Texas Attorney General's office?
Andrea Eoff.
Court will note that the custodial parent, Crystal Rose Varela, is not present. She was served under Rule 106 on April 2nd, 2022. At her usual place of residence, 2006 West 43rd Street, Apartment 6 in Houston, Harris County, Texas. She has not filed an answer or made an appearance. Is that correct, Ms. Eoff?
That's correct, Your Honor.
We'll proceed by default.
Thank you, Your Honor. Before we begin, we'd like to ask that the court take judicial notice of the prior order in this case. It was signed January 27th, 2020, and ordered Mr. Armendariz to pay child support of $533 and medical support of $50.
So noted.
Thank you, Your Honor. I'd like to call Mr. Armendariz. All right, Mr. Armendariz, can you hear me?
Yes.
All right, will you please state your full name for the record?
Yes, my name is Steve Allen Armendariz.
And will you state the name and age of your child?
Yes, his name is Giovanni Allen Armendariz, and he's 12 years old.
All right. And you've had a big change in your work and your income since the 2020 order was signed. Is that right?
Correct. Yes, ma'am.
And you were laid off from the job that you had in 2020, and you're now self-employed and building your own business. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am, I am.
All right.
That's correct.
And you have knowledge of how the children are covered for health insurance. Is that right?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
And how do you know that?
Because I just took my son to the doctor 2.5 weeks ago for shots needed to maintain to be enrolled in school.
Okay. And how are your children currently covered for health insurance?
He's through CHIP. It's the Texas Children's Health.
All right. Would you like to have the court order that Ms. Barella should continue providing that Medicaid for your child?
Yes, ma'am.
And would you like for the court to order you to pay cash medical support in the amount of $63 a month beginning May 1st, 2022?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And you provided documentation of your income to both your attorney and to me this morning. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
And your average gross monthly wages are $1,410.61 with net monthly resources of $1,125.12. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And this is your only child. Is that right?
Yes, ma'am.
Would you like for the court to modify your child support and order you to pay $225 a month beginning May 1st, 2022?
Yes, ma'am.
And would you like the court to enter an order that contains all the terms I just talked about today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you. I have no further questions and pass this witness.
Mr. Pierre-Louis, do you have any questions for your client?
I have no questions, Judge.
All right, the court will approve the order submitted. Thank you.
Thank you.
Parties